Hello Gurgaon, Haryana. Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for Gurgaon, Haryana based Yadav families for matrimonial alliance who is equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I am here with another video on one of the best Yadav marriage bureau cum Yadav wedding planners in Gurgaon, Haryana. A marriage bureau that provides its matrimonial matchmaking services 100% free for widows, physically disabled females, as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. A marriage bureau for Yadav elite and middle class families. Passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Yadav bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Gurgaon, Haryana. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Gurgaon. Officially Gurugram is a city located in the northern Indian state of Haryana. It is situated near the Delhi-Haryana border, about 30 km southwest of the national capital New Delhi and 268 km south of Chandigarh, the state capital. It is one of the major satellite cities of Delhi and is part of the national capital region of India. Gurgaon is categorized as very high on Human Development Index with an HDI of 0.889. Gurgaon's economic growth started in the 1970s when Maruti Suzuki India Limited established a manufacturing plant in gathered pace after General Electric established its business outsourcing operations in the city in collaboration with real estate firm DLF. New Gurgaon, Manesar and Sona serve as adjoining manufacturing and upcoming real estate hubs for Gurgaon. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Gurgaon, Haryana, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Gurgaon, Haryana. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Yadav life partner in Gurgaon, Haryana has been taken up by Yadav marriage bureaus or Yadav marriage consultancy in Gurgaon, Haryana. Today I will introduce you a Yadav matrimonial service provider in Gurgaon, Haryana which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Yadav families in Gurgaon, Haryana for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Gurgaon, Haryana, but the marriage bureau in Gurgaon, Haryana who have changed the concept of Yadav partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Gurgaon, Haryana. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Yadav family is looking for in their search for a bridegroom in Gurgaon, Haryana. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Yadav matchmaking services in Gurgaon, Haryana. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like a neighborhood marriage bureau in Gurgaon, Haryana to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic create partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Gurgaon, Haryana. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Gurgaon, Haryana. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Gurgaon, Haryana. Dharma Vedic top features are: Number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee, our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2, we have the large Yadav database of profiles in Gurgaon, Haryana, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Gurgaon, Haryana. Number 3, our Yadav matchmaking services in Gurgaon, Haryana fee ranges starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. But Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for widows, physically disabled females, as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Gurgaon, Haryana. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Yadav matchmaking process in Gurgaon, Haryana. At the same time, if you know someone who is a widow or physically disabled female or economically weak family who is struggling to find best room for their daughters and sisters, please share this video or inform them that Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for them. I am Pragati. They can directly call me on 8828952895. Again, I am repeating the number 8828952895. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.